Hi everyone, it's Ariana here from Earth's Edge, and yes, you've guessed it, I'm back again to answer yet another commonly asked question. How long does it take to climb Mount Kilimanjaro? Climbing Africa's highest mountain is no mean feat. There are so many route options to choose from when you decide to tackle Kilimanjaro. But at Earth's Edge, we know the best way to take on a challenge in a way that's safe, manageable, and most importantly, gives you the best chance of a successful summit. So, if you're wondering how long it takes to climb Kilimanjaro, keep watching. Our 12-day itinerary includes 7 days of trekking on the Machame Trail. The Machame Trail is one of the longest and most scenic routes up the mountain. We spent 5.5 days climbing to the summit and 1.5 days descending. This time frame allows for greater acclimatisation and increases the chance of a successful summit. If you try to do it any faster, you'd run the risk of falling victim to acute mountain sickness and have to turn around. The super long summit day for Kilimanjaro starts in the dead of the night and you'll be trekking for about 12 to 14 hours. But unlike most companies who spend the night before summiting in Barafu camp, we stay in Kosovo camp. Kosovo camp is 250 metres higher, so it cuts some time off our summit night. And don't forget, as well as our excellent team of porters, guides and expedition leaders, all of our trips are accompanied by a doctor, so you can be assured of your safety along the way. Click the link above to check out our Kilimanjaro playlist, which includes videos like how difficult is it to climb Kilimanjaro, the best sleeping bag, the best hiking boots, and many other useful videos to help you prepare for your upcoming expedition. For more information on our Kilimanjaro expedition, you can email us at info@earths-edge.com or check out our website, which will be linked down below.
As an expedition company, we focus on having a positive impact on both the environment and the communities we visit. We also set the highest safety standard of any company in the world, sending an international guide and doctor on each and every one of our trips. For more info on our sustainability policies, safety standards, and to see our range of expeditions, visit our website, earthsedge.com.